Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and happy Sunday, guys. Today, I am here to remind you, yes, you saw the thumbnail correctly, that a 200x is actually certainly a possibility for crypto.com. 20x is 100% in the cards at some point in the future of the project. But can we really 200x? I do believe so. I'm going to share with you guys exactly why I believe that is here in this video today. If you guys like that kind of content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day for you, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscribers. So do not miss out on that, guys. Let's just take a peek here at these charts. Look at what's going on in crypto. You have an $800 billion market cap. Bitcoin dominance at just under 40%. All things considered, Bitcoin is hanging on pretty strong to this $16,500, $16,700 price level. We are just a little bit below 17,000. We are coming down on news, and we've talked about it all week. You know, Kevin O'Leary coming out on CNBC, bashing and pivoting away from finance to bashing Binance coin. You've seen crypto.com getting fudded. You've seen all these different exchanges getting fudded right now. DOJ launching investigations into some of these cryptos. So you've had some pretty rough FUD coming out for crypto, yet still, we are holding pretty darn strong here. Look at this, very flat over the last couple days for Bitcoin, which is good to see. You know, a little bit up and down, but all things considered, we're hanging on pretty strong right now. So this market, you know, people, how many times in the past have people said Bitcoin and crypto's dead? They're just saying it again because why? They're scared. The bottom of the Bitcoin, bottom of the market's coming here soon, and we're waiting 365 days prior to the happening. We will see some bullish movement here eventually, folks. Ethereum at just under $1,200. Binance coin has gotten hurt, 15% bleeding over the last 7 days, but up to 250. So, I mean, again, this has been the strongest token in all of crypto through this bear market and the least top 20. So it's been extremely strong compared to other tokens. So that was really good to see for this project. And even though there's bank run FUD right now about this project, it's still holding up very strong. 15% retracement ain't that bad. Dogecoin was decimated, though, probably because of all the FUD that's been going on about Elon Musk and Twitter. And maybe that's not as much FUD as concerns. Some folks are concerned about Doge and Twitter and Elon. And right now, if Elon is getting thrown under the bus, then people are panicking about Dogecoin. I think Elon's going to tough this thing out. I think it's just news riding on the story where he banned some of these reporters, which he recently just reinstated into Twitter. So I think the fears will wash up here. Probably a really good discount to buy Dogecoin right now, actually, if you guys believe in that project. Looking at CRO coin, and yeah, guys, I think a 20x a no-brainer for this. Well, out of the gate, I'll say at a 5-cent CRO, when you get back to $1, and we do believe here at the Crypto Report, me and my partner Black Sea, that we will get back to $1, most likely in the next bull run, probably crushing it in the next bull run. Earlier today, my partner Black Sea did a video giving a $2.50 price prediction potentially for the next bull run. You know, $1's happening, and if $1 happens in the next bull run, then you got a 20x right there. But how do we get a 200x? Well, we need a $10 CRO coin. But Crypto Kip, are you out of your mind? Is that even possible? We're going to talk about that here in a second. I'll get to it for you guys. But looking here at some of the other things going on in the market, right now, there are a lot of crazy stories happening in crypto, guys, and I want to keep you guys up to date with all of it. So the story I want to, first of all, if you want to stay up to date with all of it, you follow us at the Crypto Report. You can hit the notification bell, and you can stay up to date with all our content, whether it's price predictions or breaking news. You know, right now, the crypto.com land sale just happened. The reveal will be on the 22nd of next week. That is Thursday. We will be showing you guys what deeds me and my partner got in that land sale. So if you want to stay posted to that, make sure you consider subscribing to the channel. But big news for crypto this week. Very weird, but it happened. Trump, a 70-plus-year-old man, got into the NFT space. And if we know one thing about NFTs and crypto, a loyal community is what makes prices rise, okay? That's why I'm so bullish on CRO coin. And that's why I did believe that this Trump NFT collection would probably perform well, and it did, because everybody's talking about it, first of all. Why? Because Trump is a huge name, and it was the same reason that he kind of got elected president. Whether it was bad news about him or good news about him, everybody was talking about him. Well, everybody was talking about this collection, and a lot of people jumped into the opportunity to buy these NFTs, and now they're selling 3x above what people paid for them during the initial sale. So very interesting. But what I want to share this with you guys for is this shows you that even in the worst of the bear market, which is right now, it is the worst of all the bear market, in my opinion, right now. FTX collapse was very bad, but it is just still a symptom of the same fallout. Even in the worst of all this, a Trump NFT collection sold out. The crypto.com land sold out. Why? Loyal communities, guys. Whether you like it or not, you see and you're looking for value in a project, look for loyal communities. And that's what you found with this NFT collection. That's what you found with the crypto.com land sale with these loyal loaded lions out in the world of Twitter and on Discord. You want to see something else that's bullish? CZ and Binance, he just changed his profile Twitter to this photo. Binance, we're hiring. As the worst FUD I've ever seen in the history of Binance is coming out, he is still hiring. They are doubling down, tripling down. Now, he touts that he said no to Super Bowl ads and stadium naming rights and large sponsorship deals so that they could hire. I mean, that is smart marketing, but I also think that Crypto.com has an advantage having that they did do these Super Bowl ads. And you see that advantage in the growth rate of the exchange. In case you didn't check out the statistics and which exchange is growing faster, I'll tell you right now, the answer, the growth rate is much bigger for Crypto.com. That is partially because it's smaller, and so it's easier for it to get more growth because there's more market for it to take up. But also, it's because of the advertising that they've done, and that is very bullish for the project. Now, I believe, and this is where my 200x price prediction thesis comes off of, I believe that if in the next bull run, Crypto.com stays on the same trajectory, it could be at least as half as valuable as Binance in market cap. So let's just remember that. At least as half as valuable. And really, I think probably get close to Binance, especially with all the FUD that's going on, but at least half. I think that's reasonable to consider. So, but keep in mind, guys, there are other things coming in the pipeline for Crypto.com that we can't even measure yet. We do not know how big this game is going to be, and they are beating Binance to the metaverse, and their community is showing that it is much stronger, and it's getting flooded less in the media. So I think there's a lot of growth here, and we're looking how much market share basically can Crypto.com take from Binance. Obviously, we don't want Binance to fail, but for my Crypto.com price prediction, I like to compare it to Binance to kind of give you an idea of how fast is this growing versus that, and where do we need to get the gains that we're talking about, 200x gains. Well, I'll tell you right now, if Binance and if Crypto.com had the market cap of Binance, well, then you would see a $1.60 CRO coin, okay? Now, right now, I think that so basically, right now, if Crypto.com had a $40 billion market cap, okay, which is a 28.4x above the current market cap of CRO coin, then you would have a $1.60 CRO coin. Now, that is if it was as valuable as Binance. Well, what if it was half as valuable as Binance? That's a very good question. That means that it would be at 80 cents right now. Now, the reason I'm calling it a 200x price prediction is because, guys, here's one thing I don't want you to count out. You got to understand that in the last bull market, Binance, from the bottom to the top, did over a 10x. It did much more than a 10x. I don't have the exact number, but I'm telling you, it's like 40 to 200x potentially. It was insane. It was astronomical. Now, CRO coin had something close to that starting at the end of the last bull market, okay? Now, I do believe that a 10x is in the cards for CRO coin. Not only do I believe a 10x is in the cards, I believe a 10x is in the cards past the previous all-time high for CRO coin. Because if you look at Binance, and let's just take a peek at this real quick. If you look at the previous peak at Binance in 2017, guys, the price for Binance in 2017 was $22.25. Let's call it $30, okay? Binance got all the way up to $600, guys. $600, okay? That is over a 20x from its previous all-time high. So, let's go back to here real quick. What if CROcoin had over a 20x from its previous all-time high? You're talking about a $20 CRO. Now, I'm not calling a $20 CRO. I think that's irresponsible for now. Maybe one day. Could happen. Could absolutely happen. Let me know what you think in the chat down below. I think there's a $10 CRO on the table. I like to predict more of a $2 to $5 CRO. That's a more reasonable price prediction because I'm trying to figure out a way to take profit. I'm building a profit-taking strategy. But if you're looking for, hey, what's the best that could happen here for CROcoin? Guys, I'm here to tell you that a 200x is in the cards for CROcoin because that's a $10 CRO. And if you look at the previous all-time high for CRO, it's $1. Do you think that we can have a 10x from the previous all-time high for CROcoin? I certainly do. We saw it with Binance in the past, and crypto.com still has yet to have one of those huge parabolic rallies that Binance has had. Now remember, crypto.com has over half the amount of users that Binance has. They have about half the amount of users as Binance, so they should be half as valuable. $1.60, guys, that's going to happen, I think, in the next bull market. At least 80 cents is for sure. Again, we're going to get half the value. But remember, the bull market will come. Cryptos will 10, 20, 100x. Do I think that CROcoin could 200x? I think it's in the cards, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are on that theory in the chat down below. Guys, if you are not taking advantage of the dip here and taking advantage of the extreme fear that's going on in these crypto markets, guys, the fear in these markets is out of control. And the people that buy the most painful times in this market, when the mainstream media and celebrities are attacking crypto, if you buy it at 5 cents, guys, and it goes to if it goes to $10, you're talking about a 200x on your money. I'm talking about turning $1,000 into $200,000. I'm talking about turning $10,000 into $2 million. If you think that you've got the opportunity, if you think that this price prediction is reasonable, smash the like button. If you don't, smash the dislike button. Let me know why in the comments down below. I want to get your guys' thoughts. This is not financial advice. This is just Crypto Kip, the Crypto Report. Me and my partner Black Sea, we're doing research on this every single day for you. We're coming out with 4 videos every single day, 2 live streams at Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 Central Standard Time every single week. We are active on Twitter. Follow us at the Crypto Report on Twitter, at Crypto Kip Tweets, at 333 Black Sea on Twitter. Make sure that you guys join the dialogue. We want to talk with the community. We want to know what you guys are thinking. But guys, 200x price prediction for CRO. Let me know what your thoughts are. That's all I got today. Happy Sunday, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you've got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. And you can get a free $8,000 when you sign up for BitGet using the link in the description down below when you deposit money. Also, free $600 when you sign up for Binance. So check out the free money, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.